This is your local weather radio station WXK-83 in Fort Myers, operating at a frequency of 162.475 MHz. Programming originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in the Tampa Bay area, Florida, in connection with the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Miami, South Florida, and relayed to the transmitter tower in Fort Myers, serving the counties of Lee, Charlotte, DeSoto, Henry, Glades and Eastern Collier. The current time is 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Now here is your 7-day forecast for the southwestern Florida region. This forecast includes the following areas in southwestern Florida: Cape Coral, Fort Myers, northern Naples, northern Marco Island, and southern Port Charlotte. This forecast originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Tampa Bay area, Florida. Forecast 1. For Cape Coral and Fort Myers. Today, sunny, with a high near 83. Northwest wind around 6 miles per hour. Tonight, clear, with a low around 70, west wind 3 to 5 miles per hour becoming calm in the evening. Saturday, sunny, with a high near 90. Calm wind becoming 3 to 6 miles per hour in the evening. Saturday night, clear, with a low around 63, west wind 3 to 5 miles per hour becoming calm in the evening. Sunday, sunny, with a high in the mid-90s, north wind 2 to 4 miles per hour becoming calm in the evening. Sunday night, clear, with lows around 65, west wind 3 to 4 miles per hour becoming calm in the morning. Monday, fair, with a high around 88, calm westward wind at 2 miles per hour becoming still in the evening. Monday night, clear, with lows around 62, still windlet westward 1 mile per hour. Tuesday, fair, highs around 90, westward wind at 3 miles per hour. Tuesday night, fair, becoming partly cloudy in the afternoon and mostly cloudy in the evening, lows in the lower 60s. Chance of precipitation at 30%. Wednesday, mostly cloudy, with highs in the mid-80s. Southwest winds 5 to 6 miles per hour becoming gustier in the evening. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy, with lows in the mid-60s, moderate wind east at 13 miles per hour. Thursday, a 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms after 1 p.m., partly cloudy then becoming mostly cloudy and overcast at 11 a.m. Highs in the upper 90s, east wind 7 to 10 miles per hour. Thursday night, a 70% chance of showers and thunderstorms after 5 p.m. Lows around 70, east wind 12 to 16 miles per hour. Friday, 100% chance of showers and thunderstorms starting after 2 p.m., highs in the mid-80s, winds east-northeast at 17 miles per hour. Friday night, 100% chance of showers and thunderstorms throughout the evening and into the early morning hours of Sunday. Lows around 50. East wind at 16 to 21 miles per hour with gusts varying. That was your 7-day detailed forecast for areas in Cape Coral and Fort Myers. Here is your hazardous weather outlook for the coming days throughout next week. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of southwest and southwest Florida. Day 1, Thursday and Thursday night. Strong to severe thunderstorms will be possible during the afternoon and evening across most of the southern and southwestern Florida region, including areas in and around Cape Coral and Fort Myers, with main threats being hail, damaging winds, and flash flooding. Days 2, Friday and Friday night. Strong to severe thunderstorms will be possible during the afternoon and evening across most of the southern and southwestern Florida region, including areas in and around Cape Coral and Fort Myers, with main threats being hail, damaging winds, and flash flooding. Days 3 through 7, Saturday and Friday, no other hazardous weather is expected at this time. Spotter activation statement. Spotter activation may be needed. Please relay any information about observed severe weather to the National Weather Service while following all local, state, and CDC guidelines. The time is 10:35 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Here is morning observations. At Fort Myers, the temperature was 75 degrees The dew point was 52, with relative humidity of 45%. It was sunny, with a temperature of 74 at Cape Coral, 76 at Bonita Springs, 80 at Naples, 83 at Marco Island, 79 at Punta Gorda, and 78 at Port Charlotte. It was sunny, with a temperature of 80 at Englewood, 80 at Venice, 80 at Osprey, and 82 at Sarasota. Observations from around the region. It was sunny, with a temperature of 85 at Homestead, 86 at Cutler Bay, 88 at Miami, 86 at Fort Lauderdale, 86 at Pompano Beach, 85 at Boca Raton, 85 at West Palm Beach, 84 at Jupiter, 84 at Hobe Sound, and 85 at Port St. Lucie. Elsewhere in South Florida, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 89 at Lakeland, 90 at Tampa, 90 at Clearwater, 91 at Newport Richey, 88 at Orlando, 85 at Daytona Beach, and 84 at Gainesville.
The National Weather Service in Tampa Bay has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 46, effective until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in southwest Florida: Lee, Charlotte, and Collier, and the following marine locations: coastal waters from Marco Island to Tayo Costa Cape, Hayes Aquatic Preserve in Manasota Key, Lemon Bay to Siesta Key, Bay Island, Oyster Bay, and Sarasota Bay out 15 nautical miles, areas surrounding the greater southern Sarasota metropolitan area, and the following keys in the area of Cape Coral and Fort Myers, from Sanibel Island Key to Boca Grande Key and St. James City Key to Bokeelia Key, Gaspanilla Sound, Charlotte Harbor out 15 nautical miles. Remember, a severe thunderstorms means conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for further updates for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Tampa Bay has issued Tornado Watch number 37, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in southwest Florida, Lee, Charlotte, and Collier, and the following marine locations: coastal waters from Marco Island to Cayo Costa Cape, Hayes Aquatic Preserve in Minnesota, Key Lemon Bay to Siesta Key, Bay Island, Oyster Bay, and Sarasota Bay out 15 nautical miles. Areas surrounding the greater southern Sarasota metropolitan area, and the following keys in the area of Cape Coral and Fort Myers, from Sanibel Island Key to Boca Grande Key and St. James City Key to Bocelia Key Hispaniola Sound, Charlotte Harbor out 15 nautical miles. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for further updates for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Tampa Bay has issued Tornado Watch number 37, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Tampa Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties in southwest Florida, Lee, Charlotte, and extreme northwestern Collier. This includes the cities of Cape Coral, Fort Myers, Port Charlotte, extreme northern Collier County in southwestern Florida. This includes the city of Naples, Florida, extreme central Charlotte County in southwestern Florida. This includes the city of Punta Gorda, Florida, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms with a leading-edge supercell capable of producing quarter-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 65 to 75 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Englewood to 11 miles south of Marco Island, or along a line extending from 4 miles north of Chokoloskee to 4 miles north of Rotunda West, moving west at 15 miles per hour. Destructive winds can blow down trees and even power lines in the warned area, as well as blow outdoor objects and furniture around at ease. Constant cloud-to-ground lightning is possible with this storm. A period of large hail in excess of 1 or 3 inches is also possible with this storm. Large hail can damage gutters, roofs, car windows, trees, and house windows. For your protection, move into an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Conditions are also possible for the development of tornadoes in the area. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. Take shelter for your protection. Report any damage or flooding to the National Weather Service. Stay tuned to NOAA Radio, broadcast radio, television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Tampa Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties in southwest Florida, Lee, Charlotte, and extreme northwestern Collier. This includes the cities of Cape Coral, Fort Myers, Port Charlotte, extreme northern Collier County in southwestern Florida. This includes the city of Naples, Florida, extreme central Charlotte County in southwestern Florida. This includes the city of Punta Gorda, Florida, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:04 p.m.
Okay, I'll have to stop you right there, Mr. Barnes. We currently have some new information. Storm spotters have actually confirmed that there is rotation lingering over the Cape Coral metropolitan area. I have no idea what's going on down there, but what we have just been told by Mr. Barnes for anyone joining in just now is that we already have storm damage in the Cape Coral area. This could mean a lot of things, but mostly what we have is heavy flooding due to heavy downpours from this storm system moving into the region. We already have a severe thunderstorm warning, so I hope all of you are in your safe places because we have a really good chance of seeing a tornado form from this leading edge supercell. And since this storm system is moving very slowly, this isn't a case of just waiting for it to blow over. You need to take this seriously. Anyone in Cape Coral, take shelter now. Right, just on time. What you just heard was a new tornado warning being issued for Lee County. Mr. Barnes, are you still there? We would like to know more about what is going on out there since we can't see for ourselves.
Honestly, I haven't seen conditions so perfect for extremely severe weather like this before. It's like the Midwest all over again. I've been driving all over Cape Coral for you trying to get the best damage and storm reports. I have had to take multiple different routes due to trees being knocked over or flooded roads. The wind is absolutely screaming over here. It is blowing the chaser car all over the road. The clouds looming overhead are so incredibly dark and ominous. It looks like something out of a horror movie. Yes, there is rotation over here in the city, but it isn't doing anything as far as I can tell. But let me tell you something. This isn't a normal everyday Florida thunderstorm. This is a supercell. Supercells are absolutely notorious for producing violent and long-track tornadoes. Conditions are getting significantly worse every minute over here, so I had to pull over and wait the storm out. I've gotten reports of water spouts in the area, but they are most likely greatly exaggerated. A tree was just blown across the road from where I'm sitting in my car. As I've said, the wind gusts over here are absolutely insane. We have over 60-mile-per-hour gusts and I've already seen plenty of damage done to communities. Trees are literally down everywhere. I had to back up several times and change course due to power lines being down on the streets and debris piling up everywhere from mostly barks of trees and leaves from the high winds. It was hailing softball hail a couple minutes ago and I took shelter in my car, which is now absolutely pelted with dents and glasses everywhere. I got cut 12 different times by glass shattering from the windshield and other windows. I'm keeping a very close eye on this radar indicated rotation which is right above the Cape Coral metro area. It is moving quite fast and is gaining energy rapidly. I need everyone to get in their safe spaces now. This is not a joke. Once again, never have I seen conditions so perfect for an extremely destructive and possibly deadly tornado in Florida ever since I began storm chasing in 2001. I have never seen this much moisture in the air, and since we just got out of a 95-degree heat wave, there is so much energy in the air for this supercell and rotation to use that I am immediately thinking the absolute worst. If this tornado touches down, we could see rapid intensification of the twister as it immediately begins to do damage in Cape Coral, and may even reach EF3, 4 or even 5. This is a very serious weather day and we all need to pay attention to this or we might regret I have to back up. This road is flooded already. It is raining bullets over here in Cape Coral, folks. Get in your safe spaces now. This is really bad. If you are in a mobile home, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying projectiles. Even if it means getting out in the rain and lightning, you are better off finding better shelter because it is not a good idea to try your luck. A camper trailer or mobile home turns into a death shack in a tornado and almost nowhere in the home is safe, due to the fact it can easily be picked up and is not attached to the ground. Oh god, the rain has really started to come down in bunches. This is a true weather emergency. We do not need tornadoes and flooding all at the same time. A tornado like the one in Joplin could very well strike Cape Coral and make a mark in history once again. You won't believe how much rain has fallen. The roads are already swamped with flooding. It is crazy. We have hail the size of baseballs over here in Cape Coral. Usually, large hail is in the presence of a tornado, so we may have something big coming right under our noses. There are so many people caught out in this, it is horrifying. What is worse is that it is rush hour. The wind is so violent it is making me queasy. The roads are already smothered in hail, it looks like a winter wonderland in Florida. It honestly doesn't get any worse without a tornado. This is a very strong storm and you need to shelter yourself now. Oh dear lord no. Oh god, a tornado is forming. It's coming down, 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 down. Jesus Christ, it's forming very fast. We have a confirmed tornado in the Cape Coral metro area. Repeating, confirmed tornado in Cape Coral. This thing is huge already. Holy shit. Look at the size of it. It has nearly doubled in size in just a few seconds. This thing is a behemoth. It is pulverizing everything in downtown. I need to get out of here right fucking now. I need to step on it. Go 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 go. Come on. Go. It's right over my shoulder. It's literally about to engulf me. Come on you slow piece of junk. For once in your life just please go. Shit. The water on the roads is getting deeper the further down I go. I have nowhere else to go. Come on. Please drive through it. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Go. Come on granny. We're about to fucking die over here. Put your foot down. Oh shit. No. This can't be. Just drive. That's it, I am going around. There isn't anywhere else for me to go. I just hope my engine doesn't waterlock at this point. This thing is right behind me. Whoa. A car was thrown into a building. Jesus Christ, this is bad. I can't stress enough about this situation. Everyone in downtown needs to get into their shelters right goddamn now. I am so serious. This thing is absolutely monstrous. Here we were, 10 minutes ago wondering if there even was going to be a tornado in the first place. And here we are now, trying to get out of the way of our impending death. I cannot keep driving in these conditions. I'm pulling over and taking shelter now. I see a gas station. It's not the best but it will work. Hey, over here. Get me out of here. Go.
M.R. Barnes? M.R. Barnes, are you there? Oh my god. You heard it here folks, this is possibly the last time we will hear from him. This can't be happening. Our station is not too far from where he was saying the tornado had touched down, so we should keep a close eye upon this thing. I would say we need to take shelter, but we are here to report the news so all of you are well informed about this storm. I hope M.R. Barnes is safe and the tornado passes over. This is one scary situation. You all need to take shelter right now. Everyone in the city, or around the city of Cape Coral shouldn't take any chances. I can't, nor can M.R. Barnes, stress enough how serious things get when situations come to this. This is a mile-wide tornado carving a path through the city. This is not your average everyday tornado. This thing is an absolute monster. You need to take shelter now. This is not worth your L. Anyways, M.R. Barnes, are you there? Please say something. We want to know if you are all right. I know you are taking shelter, but are you able to comment at this time?
Alright. I just took shelter inside of a gas station. This crap is insane. I had to ditch my car immediately on the side of the road. The tornado is right on its way. And we are right in the path of it. I'm with 10 or 15 other people in here, and we are in fear for our lives. People are crying, screaming and praying to God over here. I had nowhere else to go, so I came in here for the hell of it. I have to say, this is the most dangerous weather situation I've personally ever been in. There is a tornado in Cape Coral over a mile wide, doing extreme damage. It's almost unreal.
tornado emergency for the city of Cape Coral. The National Weather Service in Tampa Bay has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Lee County until 12 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado in Cape Coral, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for the city of Cape Coral. Locations impacted include the Cape Coral metropolitan area and future areas further east of the tornado. This tornado is doing extraordinary damage in Cape Coral. Precautionary preparedness actions. This tornado warning replaces the previous warning in the same area. To repeat, a large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, outdoors, or in a vehicle, move into the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. If on the highway and you see the tornado, stop your car immediately with your seatbelt still buckled, turn off your engine, and get as low under the wheel as you can and protect yourself from injury in any possible. If you cannot take cover inside of your vehicle, pull over to a median and put your hazards on, get out of your vehicle and take cover inside the nearest roadside ditch. Lie down face first and assume the tornado or duck and cover position. Get on your knees and use your body as a shield to protect your legs. Put your arms over your head and duck forward with your shoulders pointing up to protect yourself from flying projectiles. Never take shelter under bridge overpasses. Significant damage and loss of life from this tornadic storm is possible. Do not wait to hear or see a tornado to take shelter. Take cover now to preserve your life.
Scared. This is the first time I've been legitimately fearing for my life from a tornado. This thing I don't even have the words for it. It's a monster. Knowing this, I don't even know if I'm really living reality or if I'm in a dream. It seems so crazy to even be a part of our reality. I haven't seen any other tornado in Florida this big or destructive before. This tornado is demonic. And it's coming right for us. I hope it misses us. I really do. This thing doesn't look like it leaves witnesses. Of all my years as being a storm chaser, this is really emotional for me. This is the first time I've truly ever saw a killer tornado up close and personal. It also marks the very first time I've ever been driven, quite literally, to take shelter on the road while chasing a tornado. Usually I don't do this, but this is a huge exception. After the liberal Kansas tornado that touched down in early May, which don't get me wrong, was absolutely devastating. It got me thinking about how these killer spawns of twisters are becoming more frequent each year. That tornado was in the Midwest, but this tornado, it's Florida. We don't have much tornadoes. Well, we don't have big tornadoes as much, but when you think of tornadoes you usually think of places like Oklahoma or Kansas, maybe even Missouri or Texas. You don't think that a huge tornado could ever come around here. It's a sad fact. Many people don't know that these kinds of tornadoes are capable of being produced literally anywhere under the right set of conditions. I brought up this point earlier. We had just gotten out of a 90-degree heat wave, with humidity out of the roof. This may be what produced this very high risk of destructive and large tornadoes. Oh wait. Oh. What is that? Oh shit. No. No. I thought it would just go around us. Fuck. I'm gonna die. No. It can't be. Please no. Oh god. This really is it. No. Please no. Everybody get down. Get down now. Oh wait. Oh. What is that? Oh shit. No. No. I thought it would just go around us. Fuck. I'm gonna die. No. It can't be. Please no. Oh god. This really is it. No. Please no. Everybody get down. Get down now.